In the last video, we learned that people want to live younger, not just longer. We discovered the vast majority of vitamins and supplements don't work because of what they're made from, and how there is a real opportunity for supplements that deliver on the promise of cellular health. The supplement industry is $25 billion in the US and totals $68 billion worldwide. Combined with the $115 billion direct selling industry, it adds up to a huge existing market that is poised to grow, to skyrocket as the population ages and people demand meaningful quality of life, not just to stay alive. The timing for this opportunity is driven by the convergence of these three mega trends. The first trend is our growing awareness of the benefits of natural and organic foods. Organic in the US has grown from 1 billion in 1990 to 8 billion in 2000 to 28 billion in 2010, and on track to more than double in size by 2020. The second trend is that as a nation, our population isn't getting any younger. Tens of thousands of people turn 60 every day, and they want not just to live longer, but to avoid the pitfalls of worsening health and growing medical bills. People deserve not just to add years to their life, but life to their years. The third trend that is driving our opportunity is technology. The social networks of Twitter and Facebook mean we are more connected than ever before, and it makes sharing things that matter to you easier than ever. And that means your opportunity to share products that make a difference is now bigger than it's ever been.
There has never been a better time to have a business in the health and wellness industry. Everyone should be taking charge of their own health, and I get to help them do that every day.
I come from a traditional business background, both as an entrepreneur and in corporate roles, and I'm just so excited about the Touchstone Essentials product and business model. With Touchstone, we're creating the lifestyle, both the time freedom and the financial freedom that I've always been looking for.
I was one of the first to recognize the potential of Touchstone Essentials. And now, not only am I no longer concerned about my financial future, but I'm really excited about what lies ahead.
With Touchstone, the trends are in place, and the timing is right now. And there are two ways you can join in. The basic approach is to be a product advocate. Join as a customer and enjoy all the benefits of our remarkable products. Or you can join as a member and you access cellular health solutions at a savings of 28% off retail. You save immediately while you and your family enjoy lasting benefits. The advanced approach is to partner with us to promote our brand. And if you have an entrepreneurial spirit, build a business. When you become a builder with us, you gain access to all the wealth building tools with Touchstone. The first piece of our plan is referrals. Success is as simple as just finding 3 using word of mouth and the video you've just watched. You share with 3 people. Sharing the products with 3 who join and purchase means your products are essentially free. Share more and your business becomes profitable immediately. The second piece of our plan is residuals. The power of residual income is that something you create one time, you get paid on it again and again. Your success is as simple as just finding 3, and when those find 3, they do what you've done, and this repeats again and again, you start to earn residual incomes on every reorder that happens throughout your team. You can work hard once and have the potential to retire after a few years and keep earning on all those reorders. And with our in-demand products, plus the free shipping on AutoShip, we see higher rates of reorders than most. The third piece of our plan is royalties. And this is where you are rewarded when the people you've referred to Touchstone achieve success. This is above and beyond residuals because now you're not just paid on reorders, you're paid a royalty on your team's earnings, and that quickly adds up to a lucrative second, third, fourth income stream. It's like getting multiple paychecks, all because you started a business by sharing with people, and they shared with people. Imagine how your life can change with another paycheck, or another 3 paychecks coming in, whether it's paying the bills, taking a dream vacation, or being able to fire your boss. The fourth piece of our plan is infinity. One of the huge advantages of our business is that it is without borders. Already in our first year, our growth has gained a presence in 36 countries. You may start locally, but someone you know knows someone who knows someone on the other side of the world, and now you have a global business. And with our Infinity program, you earn an extra bonus on your worldwide efforts. What sets our plan apart is its foundation in teamwork. You may be in business for yourself, but you are never in business by yourself. As you succeed and earn bonuses, the person who introduced you earns matching bonuses. So you have people vested in your success who have an incentive to work with you every step of the way.
With Touchstone, we have an international business right from our own home, and we spend our weekends on the beach.
My daughter is the light of my life. We only have each other. I wanted a way to support us now and in the future that would help others and enable me to really be present in her life. Touchstone is it.
The excitement's been totally contagious, and it's so rewarding to work in partnership with so many close friends.
I found Touchstone, and a year later, I've been able to retire. I have the income to really help others, and I've been able to move to a new home near my grandchildren.
I began with a desire to share health as well as create an additional income stream. I work part-time, but I'm enjoying a full-time income.
Starting a traditional business involves huge cost, commitments in time and risk. Now you can join the 15 million strong in the U.S. who already are involved with the direct selling industry. With Touchstone, you have a non-traditional business with low cost of entry that you do part-time with no risk, and the steps to success are as simple as just finding 3. Millions of people, possibly you included, are facing an uncertain financial future as incomes shrink and the cost of living increases. I'm sure you'll agree that living paycheck to paycheck is no way to live. The surest path to prosperity is to position yourself right in front of growing trends with products rooted in the needs of people all around us. Touchstone is that opportunity. It's an opportunity where anyone can succeed regardless of skill or experience, because we provide the products, website, marketing, inventory, even free shipping. So all you have to do is share this with your friends and start experiencing the good inside your life. Build your future with us and get started today. If you're ready to learn more, connect with the person who shared this with you and watch the next video to see how our system of success works. Join us, because everyone deserves the good inside.